Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running HomeDash, a server monitor and application dashboard in Docker. To get started, connect to the device where we're going to run Docker. We'll start by installing a few prerequisite packages required to run Docker. Next, we'll add the Docker GPG key and apt repository. Now using apt install, we'll install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll make sure the Docker service is started and enabled. Add the current user to the Docker group. Then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. Now we're ready to start creating containers. We'll start by creating a working directory for HomeDash to store data in. We'll set ownership of the new working directory. We'll create a 32-character randomized string. Then using the docker run command, we'll create our HomeDash container. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host :4567. Welcome to HomeDash, running containerized in Docker. You can customize your HomeDash dashboard by adding new modules and resizing them as you see fit.